a strong reason is required. So I believe everyone have their own reason. And the second thing is, you should know what you're going to learn. I'm talking about the course content. So in this training program, I'll give you the brief idea about the topics, about the syllabus, the content of this training program, so that you'll get the clear idea that what you're going to learn in this training program. So this is very, very important, because for mindset, the content is required. To learn, you must know what you're going to learn. So I'll give you the idea, don't worry. What are the different modules? What are the different parts in that modules? And what module in which mode? All this information I'll provide you in this session. So let me start with my introduction. Myself, SMLE, and I'm masters in HVAC, and I have been a professional trainer from last 15 years. I work in design in Al Khobar, Al Hamdan, Saudi Arabia, and I also work in Blue Star in India in execution site. So I have experience in design and I have experience in execution.